Iboong.
Aku hanya memikirkan satu peraturan penting. Kenapa kau lakukan hari ini kalau kau bisa melakukannya besok?
Few moments later.
Okay, good morning students. How are you today? Okay, I will check your attendance first. Rani, Tiki, Felix. Okay, after I check your attendance, we will learning about natural science and physical education. For the first lesson, we will the learning science. Does anyone still remember about force? Force is full or a path that after object shapes and or motion. Effect of force. Anyone? Force things about mentions. 2. Force things about shapes. 3. Force things direction of objects means. Theory of force. 1. Muscle force. The theory force that arise as a result of the muscle work of living characters, but humans and animals the theory of force that arise as the result of the muscle work of living characters, but humans and animal. And 2. Friction force. The theory of force appears when two objects choose or rub against each other. And 3. Spring force. Referring to the force exerted by a spring, which are typical elastic and returns to its original shape and after being stars of composites. The force is often used in various mechanical systems to store energy and perform specific functions such as opening or closing valves or bars, sucks and vibrations. And 4. Magnetic force. A force that does not require torque, but I describe as a force that can attract magnet and alter special objects such as iron and metal. 5. Gravitational force. Gravitational force is a pull forward an object center point. For example, Earth gravity means that creatures in the world do not float in the air. Artinya itu gravitational itu yang ada di bumi, itu gaya gravitasi yang ada di bumi. Oke, yang terakhir electric force. Electric force, this type of force cause when an object has electric power. Yang electric force yaitu gaya elektrik atau gaya listrik itu bisa berupa kipas angin, bisa berupa dispenser atau bisa berupa lampu. The next, contacts and no contacts force. Gaya tidak sentuh dan gaya sentuh. Contact force is the force that occurs when two objects come in contact. Yang dimaksud dengan contact force itu yaitu gaya sentuh, gaya yang terjadi karena dua benda yang bersentuhan. Contohnya kita mendorong sebuah mobil. Okay, and 2, not contact force. Is the force that occurs although the two objects are not in contact. the example of gravities of magnet force. Gaya tidak sentuh itu adalah gaya yang terjadi walaupun dua benda tidak bersentuhan. Contohnya kita gaya gravitasi dan gaya magnet. Gaya gravitasi itu gaya yang misalnya contohnya buah yang jatuh dari pohon ke bawah, dan gaya magnet itu gaya tarik magnet. Next force. Okay, after I explains about force, I asked for you how to give an example of force. Jadi telah selesai pembelajaran mengenai force atau gaya. Saya akan bertanya kepada kalian mengenai contoh dari gaya tersebut. Oke, untuk Andi. Okay, that's right. For Andi, I will give a prize for answering correctly. Karena kamu bisa menjawab, saya akan memberikan hadiah untukmu. Without realizing it, our science lesson is over. Oke, materi kita telah selesai. Please close your book and take a break. Silahkan tutup bukunya dan istirahat. Next, we will learning about physical education. Oke, untuk pembelajaran kita setelah istirahat, kita akan mengenai pembelajaran penjas. Thank you. Good afternoon, students. Okay, we meet again. Are you still excited to learning? Wow, it starts out everyone is still excited. Very good. We will learn about an locomotor movement. Locomotor movement. Locomotor movement is the movement of moving the body from one place to another. Type of locomotor movement. And 1. Lari atau running. 2. Jumping, lompat. 3. Hopscotch atau jingkrak. 4. Sliding atau sliding. 5. Walking atau jalan. 6. Rolling atau berguling. 7. Climbing atau memanjat. Okay, type of locomotor movement. And 1 itu running atau lari. Running. And 2. Jumping atau lompat. Jumping. And 3. Hopscotch atau jingkrak. 4. Sliding atau sliding. 5. Walking atau jalan. 6. Rolling atau berguling. Dan 7. Climbing atau memanjat. Okay, and non-locomotor movement. Non-locomotor movement are activities that move body parts on their axis and the actor does not move. Form of non-locomotor movement. And 1. Affounding, where affounding is very useful in various games and sport. And 2. Stretching and muscle is a exercise that stretch the body muscle by doing flexion or which a movement to bend joins the reductions the angle between two bones, or extension, which is the possibility of flexion, namely increasing the angle between two bones, or in the other way. And 3. And distinct and training is how to twist the body. The moving is useful for improving starting balance and for swinging legs and arms. 5. Hiking in an activity to hold body weight by holding a bar or rope with your hand. And 6. Pulling is a movement using force against of object or other person so that the object or person who is far away from the puller becomes close to the puller's body. The next, manipulative movement. Manipulative movement are the body ability to move and interact with about using the hands and feet, which is important in children's motor development. Type of manipulative movement include throwing, use the hand to throw an object. 2. Jab throw, stop and control a moving object. Okay. And 3. Kick atau menendang, using the foot to hit an object. Contohnya kita menendang bola. And hitting, using the hand or the toe to apply a pass to an object. Yang ke-7, dribbling, at moving an object such as a ball with control. Okay, for that, sir, I ask you to form group consisting of 3 group, 3 people and 1 group. Berarti sir minta dalam satu grup terdiri dari 3 orang. Okay, dan sir will ask about locomotor. Later, if you know, then the respective for the group raise hand. Okay, sir akan menanyakan pertanyaan mengenai materi kita hari ini, dan untuk satu kelompok yang bisa menjawab, satu orang perwakilan kelompok angkat tangannya, raise the hand. Okay, that's right. What the type of locomotor movement? Do you raise hand? Okay, to Felix. Oh, that's right. Type of locomotor movement, and 1 running. Yes, you answer. 2 jumping, 3 half stalks, 4 sliding, 5 walking, 6 rolling, and 7 climbing. Okay, that's right. Okay, that's our lesson for today. Close your book and back to home. Thank you.